Paul from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Skoda Superb here on a 2018-2019 plate. Just replacing the main dip bulb on this, which is that one there. That's what we're replacing. The bulb you need is a H7 bulb, which link can be found in the description if you did want one. It's a 2-pin bulb, and to do it, it is quite a simple procedure, but you gotta bear with me one sec. I'm just gonna show you. So what we gotta do, we gotta remove this cover first. So once you remove this cover, then on the inside you've got a plug there. So all you then do is twist that to your left and then pull the whole thing out. Just remember how you take it out. So that bit there on this side here, so it should be sort of like this. Just gonna move this to the side. On the inside you can see the screw, and there'll be another screw right there. So when you put it in an angle, turn it to your right, that should do the trick. So I'm just going to replace the bulb now. I've got the new bulb in there. Now that's the locator right there, so the stop point, so the lug should be on the top. So what I'm going to now do is slot the bulb in, like I said to you, how you take it out, that's how you put it back in. Slot it through the hole, in an angle, slightly. Once it's in there, I then twist it to my right. There we go. Just gonna see now. Now you can see there as well, that's gone in. The other side has gone in as well. We'll look from the front, just making sure the bulb is fitted correctly. As you can see now, the bulb is nice and straight. So that's what you got to do. If you look on this side, it's exactly the same as well. So what we're going to do now is check, see if the bulb is working. I'm just going to put the cover back on. Make sure you don't lose the cover, and do put it back on because it stops the water going in. I'm going to switch the ignition on, switch the lights on. Now you can see they're both working. Right, that's all it was on this particular model. It is a Skoda Superb on a 2018-2019 plate. The bulb you need is a H7 bulb. The link will be in the description if you did want one. And if you found this video useful, do share it, like it, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the thanks button. Thank you and goodbye.